Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to share YouTube link on Instagram story. So go for your plus icon and choose your photo or video, anything, whatever you want to post on your story. After that, go for your YouTube, go for your library and choose your video you want to link and just go for share video and copy the link. Go for an Instagram app and go for in this sticker option here, and you can see there is a link option here, so click on it and you have to paste your YouTube link here and go for done. Okay, you can just place it whatever you want. Okay, then just go for your story here. So this is how you can share YouTube link on Instagram story. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.